story isn't a story. The first story is, let's get it. What's this? Bum, bum, bum. Yes, I just got this yesterday. This is the 2020, and they claim it's a prototype, interestingly enough. 2020 Prius Prime, and there will be a review coming up soon. If you follow us on Twitter, you've seen the pictures. And I got to tell you, it's so nice. I haven't owned a Prius in a long time. It's so nice to be in one, driving one. I forgot how much I love that car.
Now, what's new in the 2020?
Well, so I'm. You know what? This is a big spoiler, right? Oh, yep. What's new? What's new? I got a little. My friends at Toyota are going to just punch me. So I normally you get like a window sticker, and you get some information about what's new and exciting, especially with a prototype. And this really looks like pre-production, maybe not prototype. It is not usually like the kind of weird ginky things that you see in prototypes. There's 5 things that are new. 5. The big one, you can now sit in the middle of the back seat.
So 5 seat belts.
Okay. 5 seat belts. Yeah.
Unbolted it.
And I got to tell you, that back seat looks so horribly uncomfortable.
So they Volt 2.0'd it.
It's my intention tomorrow to go to Cal State University at San Marcos, which is just down the road from me. I'm going to see how many college students I can stuff into that back seat.
Ask them there's beer, you'll get them all in there.
I'm sorry?
If you tell them there's beer, you'll get them all in there.
Well, I would probably go to jail for that.
Well,
But the 5 seatbelt things is maybe never going to get used, but it allows the car to be an Uber or Lyft vehicle.
You guys think alike.
Because with 4 seatbelts, you can't use a car for Uber or Lyft.
For Uber or Lyft. Yeah, I don't. I'm sorry?
It's true. I said he and David said it at the exact same time.
Oh. Well, so there you go. And the Prime.
I pity the fool that has to sit in the middle in the back, but
yeah. Oh God, that would be awful. So that's one thing. The Stormtrooper white plastic accents that were in the previous years of the Prime. Tony,
if I may, it's bone china.
I prefer Stormtrooper white. Thank you. But bone china, it's very. Those are gone. For a more quote unquote premium look.
Ooh, so many people hated that bone china.
Yeah.
I
premium
kind of hated it and kind of liked it. Tony, this one's for you, my friend. I'm dedicating this new Prius Prime feature for you. Ooh. And I'm sorry to say this because I know it's going to bum me out a little bit. They now have visor extensions.
Oh my God.
Wow. Right?
Oh. I'm retrofitting. That's it right now. I'm retrofitting.
Okay, hang on. So how long do you have the car for, Russell?
A week.
Okay, so Tony, unscrew your visors, mail them to Russell. They'll trade you. Toyota will forget that they had them.
That would be hilarious.
Can you imagine the next journalist? And I'm not a journalist. The next journalist that gets it.
The visor extenders, and they're like,
this thing's worthless.
It broke.
That would be hilarious.
I'm tempted.
I'm sure the screws line up and the electrical connector is the same.
Yes.
Oh. Yeah.
And you know what? I just have to say,
just go test drive the 2020 at the local dealer and walk around the corner.
Drive it around the corner.
I have to go look because I don't even remember what the other 3 things are. The other 2 things. Sun visor extender, black interior, 5th seat. There are 2 new USB ports on the center console.
Are they in the back?
Okay.
In the for the back seat.
Yeah.
Again,
so your
I'm
Uber
thinking
passengers can charge their phone while they're
You're too drunk to use a USB port.
That's like an Uber or Lyft feature, wouldn't you say?
For the kids.
Yeah, it could be. But yeah, for the kids in the back and their devices.
Sure.
The back seat mounted iPad thing. They're watching movies. You can plug them in.
Sure. Yeah. And the final new feature is, and I'm going to read this, standard compatibility. New for 2020, the Prius Prime will offer standard Sirius XM, Apple CarPlay, and Amazon Alexa compatibility. Road trip, anyone?
Wow.
Now, can I tell you what my car doesn't have?
Any of
None
that
of
stuff?
that.
No satellite radio.
Oh.
So
And is it just Apple CarPlay and no Android Auto?
No Android Auto.
That's weird. A lot of them are giving you both.
I don't. Yeah, I would think you would go with Android Auto before Alexa.
yeah.
But I really don't know.
I don't know. Yeah.
Well, you might order some ebooks or something.
Sure.
Yeah.
They
Still, you
promise
just download them to your
2% sales.
phone. You just download them to your phone and you just stream. I mean, that's what I do.
Yeah.
You know.
And nothing really cool like plug-in Prius Prime and all-wheel drive.
Not that I've discovered yet.
It didn't do anything with the range, I'm sure.
Nothing with the range. Everything
No
is
third
the
row
same.
seat.
No third row seat. In fact, I was shocked because I haven't driven the Prime in a couple of years at how high that back trunk floor is.
Oh my God, yeah.
Yeah.
It is
Yeah.
like,
It's like a tumor in the trunk.
yeah, that is the biggest Lion battery pack on the planet, and it's not. But nonetheless, follow us on Twitter at What Drives Us. Keep an eye on the Facebook page if you want to see some updates. And yeah, there'll be a full review soon with all kinds of fun commentary and exciting Prius drive pictures.
Yay. Instagram.
Yay.
If anyone follows us on Instagram, are you going to be posting pictures on Instagram?
That
No, and Russell speak.
that looks like a no.
God, I hate Instagram. I'm sorry. I'm a photographer. I hate Instagram. But yes, I will post some pictures on Instagram. I
But
should.
Russell's not a millennial. He doesn't use Instagram.
And you know what? I'm an arrogant bastard.
I was thinking like a picture of you with the Prius on a Bahama beach, string bikini, Instagram.
Fish
Right.
lips.
See?
Fish lips.
Mhm.
Yeah, absolutely. Maybe a nice butt shot with a tea back.
Yeah.
Yeah. How many people are in the chat room right now?
Dwindling.
Down to
Less
3,
and
2,
less. Yeah, left.
and no one.
They all
And there they go.
at the same time.
So, is now when I asked them to like the show?
Yeah.